All right, we're now getting a breaking input from Bhangar. The situation in Bhangar is under control but remains tense. Now, 8 people have been arrested so far, is what the information that we are getting at this point. I'm now joined by CNN News 18's Kamalika Sen Gupta on this broadcast. Kamalika, you were the only one. The CNN News 18 was the only one who was on ground when the violence broke out in Bhangar. What is the situation at the moment there?
See, the situation is okay, but the situation, but the tension is definitely there. The tension is there, but the situation is coming back to normal, and obviously the normalcy is being seen. But definitely, it was suddenly entire day there were some problems in the Bhangar. Like initially, they wanted to come to Kolkata and they were stopped and they broke barricade, and then police resorted to lathi charge, and after that things were okay. But suddenly, when the police was talking, they wanted to do some protest there itself. The police was handling some other mob. At that point of time, all these cars were kept in this region in Sonpur Bazar. Suddenly, there was this attack. So that is what is being police is investigating on this. That what is this motto? When they were communicated that they can't do the rally, a day before Naushad was he was mailed that this cannot be allowed. Then what happened? What went wrong? And why did they do this? The police is investigating on this. But definitely concerning when police 5 bikes were vandalized and they were set on fire. One police van was set on fire. The prison van, we have shown that how what the condition of the prison van was absolutely very in a very bad way. It was vandalized. So these are the things which are raising questions. More forces have gone there, and definitely they are keeping an eye on the entire situation. But this situation is absolutely uncalled for. This should not have happened.
Yes, I request you, Kamalika, to please stay with us as we require your input on the next breaking as well, which is in fact coming in from West Bengal itself. Now, Sukanto Majumdar has in fact written to Bengal governor over the violence in Murshidabad, raises concern over atrocities on Hindus. Now, Sukanto Majumdar calls it a humanitarian crisis, demands swift intervention. Now, this letter comes a day after he met displaced Hindus in Malda, and meanwhile, the BJP has called for a rally to save Bengali culture and identity. Let me now go back to my colleague Kamalika Sen Gupta on this. Kamalika, take us through the details of this letter that has been written by Sukanto Majumdar.
See, Sukanto Majumdar went yesterday in Malda and he went and met the people who were staying in that shelter. So, and some of them absolutely cried in front of Sukanto Majumdar. BJP will be going to again, will be, keeping their appeal in the court so that central forces are extended. Along with that, the letter which has been written to the governor, the appeal is there that, some intervention is required. Governor has also opened that there is a peace room always there in the governor house. But with the present situation, Sukanto Majumdar has written everything, every details of what he has seen then. He has given an audio of what he has seen then, and also seeking the intervention of the governor.